and we're doing some renovation in the kitchen, and this is what it looks like. Look at that. Hashtag Travis Perkins. And guys, you can see the remote control out, and look at this. Bingo! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wait. Is it the same? Are they the same? You know the one sitting at the bottom is the same as this? No, the one sitting at the bottom is the same?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. That is it. Guys, this is what is happening right outside the house. Right outside the house. And look at that. Absolutely no joke. This machine is crazy. Look at that. And the man behind the plan is even crazier. Look at that, guys. Look at that. And look at that. Look at that. Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, that is it, guys. This is how the thing comes down. We will be doing some refurbishment, and we will let you see how it is going. But for now, look at that. Look at what we've got sitting outside. We've got and compliment of Perkins. Yeah man, Travis. You can see that, Travis. And away we go now. Oh, my food. Oh my god, my food is my lunch actually. And guys, look at that. Look what's going down right here. We've got some cement as well, and the cements are downstairs. I wanted this lorry to go. I wanted this to go, but yeah, I mean, the oak right is gonna go now. Oh, this is how the thing is, you know. Guys, the way they does the place, he cannot, it's restricted down there, you know. He cannot come up. But let me pause this a little bit. All right, guys. And away we go. Away we go. Thank you, Travis Perkins, for delivering for us. And guys, you can see that it's gone. Oh my days. But we still have the stuff. They left it behind. You guys, thank you so much. It's Dickens Day. Thank you for supporting this, guys. Thank you.